This is a co-challenge for white. Black's eye space is really big. So big that it can actually just give up these two black stones, and black still has plenty of eye space to make a living shape this way. And of course, white wants to try moves like this, and black can either play this and capture 1 and 3, or it might be able to stand down here and give up these two black stones and still make a living shape. So black is quite flexible, and if white plays this, it doesn't seem like white can make a dead shape in here. It might be able to try something like this, but it's hard to make this into a dead shape for black. You can try some of the variations on your own. The correct first move is actually here. It's also a good move that you should consider. What's interesting here is that if black ignores it, potentially white has this move, threatening to connect back on either side. And there'll be no connect and die. Although in this situation, black will be able to use this connect and die to get this Atari and make a living shape. But having number 3 as an option is really great for white. So let's sort out the sequence. If black connects here, we do not want black to get both of these points in sente, right? Playing Ataris or threatening a connect and die. So white needs to occupy one of these points first. So that's the thinking. And if you play here, black will just stand down and 1 and 3 are trapped. That's not ideal. The interesting technique here is to play this bend, forcing black to block, and then you get to this point. This is an Atari. Black must capture, and now you Atari again, threatening to connect here on the second line. So if black connects, now black will be dead because there will be no connect and die, and black will only have one real eye left. And that's why black must prevent white from connecting, and white captures here. So this is the code this problem wants you to find, and that's the correct sequence. But we can look at some of the other sequences as well. If black plays here, then now white can play this Atari. If black sacrifices these two, black will be dead, like this. If black connects, now this is a really neat shape, because white is threatening to capture these two black stones. Black must cut and capture white first, but in this process, white is able to connect number 1 back through 7 and 9. And now there's no more eye space here on the side, and black will be dead this way. So number 2 will lead to black's death. What about this move? Seems like a nice move, but the problem once again is that white can play here first, black must connect, and now back to the first move that we observed. It's right here. And now, no matter what black does, white can connect on one side. And there will be no connect and die to capture. Black cannot capture white. So that is why number 2 right here will also fail. And that is why the correct sequence, not very easy to find, is for black to connect here, and for white to occupy here at number 5, and getting number 7 in sente and threatening to connect back. And black's only option is to prevent white from connecting, and white may capture the code first. Not a very easy sequence to find, but hopefully this is a fun pattern where you can try many different variations. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.